Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Grundig 2-in-1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner, the model VCP4330L. Maximum flexibility with up to 40 minutes cordless running time, 21.6 volt Li-ion battery for long and efficient service life, large dust bin with capacity of 0.6 liter with LED light turbo brush. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included, of course, we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. Many accessories, screws, 4 screws for the charging dock. You need 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. The power adapter. You can remove the power adapter from the base. Let's see the length of the cable. The length of the cable, it is 1.5 meters, and we have output 26.5 volt, 0.5 amp, 13.25 watts power consumption. And here we have then the accessory holder. You can have the dust brush here at the base. Press the button. You can use only the nozzle. Pull, it locks, and you can use the brush. Or you can remove and install it at this side. We have in this soft pads at the front. The tube, only one tube. The length of the tube, it is 90 centimeter. Lock and lock button. 2 metal contact blades in front of the tube are coming in contact with the main unit, and then is giving power at the electric turbo brush and starts working. Adjustable up and down 90 degrees, left and right, plastic spiral hose, wheels, 2 large wheels here, soft wheels, and another 2 small at the front. Soft brush here, and of course you can pull this switch and remove the rotatable brush. Wash it, clean it. The same you can clean in this area inside. The motor is here, and it is very easy to install again. Pull, press, and it locks. Lock and lock switch, 2 metal contact blades, and here connect the tube. Locks, release button, so easy, and then you can connect at the main unit. Release button, or if you want you can connect directly without the tube at the main unit. The same thing you can do and with that nozzle. Now at the main unit we have the on-off button. Charge this vacuum before the first use. 3 LED indicators. Charging time, it takes 4 to 5 hours. Running time at max power 20 minutes and about 40 minutes in low power. 21.6 volt Leon. To choose the second speed, press this button. So now to remove the dust bin, press this button, rotate, lock and unlock, we can see, and remove. Inside, of course, we have the motor. Filter, HEPA filter, silicone rubber around, second filter, this sponge, pull the filter inside. Nice, I like it. It is plastic, you can wash it without problem, don't worry, dry and reinstall. The cover for the dust bin, silicone rubber around, sealing very well all the dust inside. To remove the dust, just pull this cover and remove the dust. Max icon, 0.6 liter capacity. And to install it is very easy. We have this arrow here, alignment, and that was all. Installing the filter, pull and remove. And then at the main unit, press, rotate, and it locks, so easy. Press, rotate and remove. I like it. It feels nice to my hand. After installing the base at the wall, here it is the contact for the power. Here it locks. You can have it at this position. Press this lever to remove. I like it. And place it for charging. And we can see it's charging, so I need to wait until it will fully charge and start the test. And after finishing, you can empty the container, clean the vacuum, and ready to use again. This versatile and powerful vacuum is perfect for keeping your home spotless, offering the convenience of both a stick vacuum and a handheld vacuum in one sleek design. With a powerful suction that effectively picks up dirt, dust and debris from various surfaces, the cordless design provides the freedom to clean without being tethered to an outlet, making it easy to maneuver around your home. The vacuum's dual functionality as a stick vacuum is ideal for cleaning floors, from hardwood to carpets. With a simple conversion, it becomes a handheld vacuum, perfect for tackling stairs, upholstery, car interiors and other hard-to-reach areas. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and easy storage, while the long-lasting battery provides ample runtime for most cleaning tasks. The easy-to-empty dust container and washable filters make maintenance a breeze, ensuring your vacuum stays in top condition. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile vacuum cleaner that offers powerful performance and the convenience of both stick and handheld modes, the Grundig 2-in-1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice. Its combination of portability, powerful suction and user-friendly design makes it a standout option for any household. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more product reviews and home cleaning tips. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.